Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to sign up for the Adidas affiliate program. Open Google Chrome and type in Adidas affiliate program in the search bar. From here, you can learn about their affiliate program. When you are ready to join, click on Apply Now to begin the application process. The first thing they will ask you is for your full name, so make sure to type it in correctly. Next, enter your email address. Confirm your email address by typing it in again. Now create a username that you will use to log into your affiliate account. After that, choose a strong password to keep your account secure and type it in. Remember, a strong password includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm your password by typing it in again. Next, they will ask for some information about your company. Fill in details like your account display name and company website. Then, provide any other necessary company information they ask for. Now you will need to share some promotional information. This could include how you plan to promote Adidas products through their affiliate program. After you have filled in all the necessary details, make sure to read through the agreement carefully. Once you have reviewed everything and agreed to the terms, check the box to confirm. Finally, click on the sign up button to submit your application to join the Adidas affiliate program. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.